So we are in San Francisco, California for our ZS Seed program immersion. We have brought a group of amazing HBCU students here to California to embark on a professional growth opportunity, as well as hopefully land some opportunity of employment with our partner, ZS.
ZS has worked diligently and hard to guarantee that these students have a true glimpse of what the ZS culture is, and hopefully after they leave have a better indication of consultant work, and especially what that looks like through this company.
Just to be able to connect with other consultants and learn how the different firms have their different consulting frameworks has been very interesting and enlightening to me.
So when I think of equity and inclusion, it's really about access to opportunities, access to resources, and exposure. This gives them an opportunity to get exposure to the consulting world, get exposure to ZS, do some career exploration, and also continue to navigate their careers.
Having an opportunity to step into an experience that these students may be comfortable with, may not be comfortable with, will truly give them that opportunity to grow into the young professionals and stars that TMCF knows that they truly are.
We designed a session called Consulting 101, where we wanted to talk through and give the fellows a glimpse into the life of a consultant to show them what it's really like.
They taught me not only about the work of consulting, but they taught me, how to step outside my comfort zone, how to use my own problem solving and strategic thinking skills to build real-world solutions for clients' problems.
And I've learned that they use SCQ, which means situation, complication, and question. So with my team, I've been able to work through our clients' problems using that framework, and it's been an enlightening process for us.
For our partners, it's an opportunity for them to see firsthand the skill set, the level, the maturity of our HBCU students and why they should select them for their opportunities. So it's a win-win for both sides.
My vision is that we actually see more ZS Seed alum being full faculty for this program in the next 2 to 3 years.
Overall, ZS is truly committed to make sure they leave a lasting impression, not just for the foundation of their company, but to every HBCU represented in this immersion.
I would like to thank Thurgood Marshall College Fund and ZS for this amazing opportunity.
Thank you, Thurgood Marshall College Fund, for all the opportunities you have granted for me, my personal and professional career, as well as my community.
This is just everything that I'm passionate about. So being here is the best thing for me so far.